Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Here's a sneak peek at what we're going to be making today. We're going to be doing another flip cup acrylic pour painting. It's a follow-up piece to my video I posted 2 videos back. I'll link it down below. I made 3 awesome flip cup acrylic pour paintings in that video, and I wanted to see what would happen if I layered my cup with gold on the bottom of my flip cup. So we're going to try that in today's video. I'm going to be using the Artisan brand pre-mix ready to pour paints and the Artisan brand silicone oil. I had just about an ounce of paint in each of my cups here. I'm layering my cup gold, blue, and then white, and that's it. I had 3 drops of the Artisan brand silicone oil in each of my colors, gave it a good stir, and then I layered my colors into my cup. I was just trying to scrape out a little bit of the blue around my flip cup before I lifted it up, and here I'm just giving it a good tilt. No, technique to this, just get the paint to all 4 corners of your ceramic tile. I'm pouring on a ceramic tile here. I pick them up at my local hardware store. I'm going to hit it with my torch and you'll watch the amazing cells start to develop, and they really grow as it sits over time. They do expand, and these ones actually grew quite a bit, and I'm going to let this guy dry, but here's how it's looking with the wet finish. There's some really cool cells, and I'll show you how it turned out when it's all nice and dry. So here we are, it's a week later, and you can see the cells grew quite a bit as it sat, but the old gold Artist Loft pouring paint from Michaels, that's the gold I used on this one. It's a really gorgeous metallic. I have to still clean the silicone oil off of this piece, and then I'll be giving it a clear resin top coat. If you want to see how I clean the silicone oil off my pieces that I use silicone oil on, I'll link that video down below. Be sure to go check it out. I'll also pin it in the comments. Just scroll down to the comment section and you can click on it. You do have to get rid of the silicone oil before you resin or do a varnish, because the oil will kind of repel and it'll give you fish eyes or craters on your finish, and you don't want that. So you have to clean it off and seal it before you do your resin top coat. So be sure to go check out that video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. I'll leave a few of my favorite acrylic pours right here. Just click that and it'll take you straight to the video. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you soon for another video. Bye.